Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing a game called Life the Game. Hey, no. Okay, wait, what? Oh, okay, wait. Life the Game. Okay. Well, we're playing it on this game on here, even though it's not really good on this. I'm gonna go full screen. We're gonna be playing Life the Game. All right, here we go. Life the Game. Will this be easy? Or will this game be hard? We will find out. Running, please wait. Wait, I'm running? Right into the game. Alright. Get born. Wait, what? Okay. Ah, you got stuck for 3 days trying to get out of your mother's womb. When you finally succeeded, your mother was so tired of you, she put you up for adoption, and never attempted to contact you again. Wow, that's sad. Right when you get born. Yeah, I got born. Talk. Yeah, I learned how to talk. Okay. Study. Okay. Wait, hold on. I need to wait. Hold on. Cause, okay. Cause I need to be quick about that. Okay, yeah. So, you guys know me. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You hated math so much you dropped out of school. Flipping burgers. Alright. Wait, hold on. I think I understand this, but I feel like, hold on, real quick, I'm not gonna do it. I feel like I should know this. At the same time, I don't. Okay, I'm just gonna try this. Okay, let's go 17, and then you're 4. No, 4. Ah, okay. 17, 4, then 20. Okay. I think it's 3 then. 17, and then 4. Wait, 3, and then 20. Ah, okay. 17, 3, and then 20. Yay, I got an A plus. Okay. Purity. Wait. Oh, ew. I'm popping pimples. Ew. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay. I gotta try again. Okay. Yay, I did it. Okay. Yay. Yeah. No. No. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Oh. Okay. It's a match. Cool. It's a match. I don't know how to do sports, so I'm just gonna. Oh. Who are you kidding? Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna. It's getting laggy on me. My gosh, stop lagging. Intern. Uh, I, I don't know. I don't know how to make coffee. I don't know how to make coffee, so I'm just kidding. I know how to make coffee. Just kidding. I don't know how to make coffee. Yeah, I do know how to make coffee. Get married. Okay, need some pants. Yeah. Get kids. Okay. Twins. Triplets. Quadra. Hmm. Does that one have a mustache? Okay. The car. Oh, and then weights. Travel ticket. Boom. Grandchildren. Oh. This is hard. Stay back. No. No. Get away from. Get away. Get away. Yeah. Stay healthy. Stay healthy. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Get back in there. Okay. Now I just need you. You can go right here. I'm gonna put you. Come on, hurry up. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. Come on. No. No. Oh my gosh. Right. Die. What do I do? It said that your life flashes before your eyes just before you die. That is true. It's called life. Okay. Now what's gonna happen? Oh, there's another game I think that it's called Afterlife. It's like other game after this is a game after you die in the game. After you die, so this is called Afterlife. So this is Afterlife. This is life and afterlife. Okay, come on, skip. Okay, I'm gonna go in here. Okay, afterlife. The game is loading. Okay, made with Unity. We're back to this game. Afterlife. Okay. Oh, oh, okay. This is hard. Dodge the spider. No! During your first few seconds of freedom, a ghost you managed to get yourself stuck in a random obstacle, and now you're just in despair. Okay. If this was my afterlife, I would like this. Oh, but I wouldn't like to like. No! It's that one part. Okay. I got this. Okay. I can do this. This should be easy. Yay! Yay. Cool. Okay, protect. Protect my life. Okay. Boom. Okay. Alright. Oh shoot. Hey, poop, no, what the? You failed to protect your wife from danger. Now you're not so lonely anymore. Should I try again? I'm gonna try again. Then I want her. I want my life to live. What do want so many things want to attack my my wife? What did I do? What did she do? Yeah, revenge. Drag items. Okay, I think yeah, it's scary here. Play. Why is it so hard? Oh, okay, that's hard. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Please don't jump near me. Okay, jeez. Make Jacksepticeye. Make him laugh. What do you? What's green and fuzzy? And and if it fell out of a tree, it would kill you. Jack, Bay. Equal table. What's the difference between a snowman and a snow woman? Snowballs. What do you call a Mexican drowning in mayonnaise? Cinco de Mayo. Which bees do which bees produce milk? Your mom? I bet you're expecting to hear a joke. Alright, hold on. No, wait, not Jack. Pool table. Snowballs. Cinco de Mayo. Boobies. Boo? It's a boo. There's boos and there's bees. So if you get a boo and then a bee, then boo! A bee can scare you. Okay. What do you call a sheep with no legs? A cloud. Yeah, I have a trophy. Weird. Party. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, your party. You got too hard. Okay. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is hard. Okay. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna try again. Pink, pink, blue, 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 green, pink, pink, blue, 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 green, This is so hard. Pink, pink, blue, 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 green, green, Pink, 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 blue, 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 green, 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 blue. We have a party. Alright, I think I want to show you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, hit that smash button, like this video, and I'll see you guys then. Have fun!